Now I request our founder, sir, to felicitate our guest, His Holiness the Dalai Lama.
So I request our Honorable President also come to this podium to felicitate His Holiness Dalai Lama.
I really find something very relevant to today's world. And of course, all major world tradition still relevant to humanity, because humanity's basic nature is more compassionate, and that's according to scientists, and then also our experience. So basic human nature is more compassionate. More compassion here, individual, himself, herself, will become more calm. And create compassionate atmosphere that brings more friendship. So happy family, happy society, happy community. So since 7 billion beings is the combination of individual, so we individual should try to become more compassionate, then share with more people. That way, from 1 person, 10 person, 10 person, 100 person, 100 person, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. That's the way change humanity become more compassionate. So then, because of the Buddha, more scientific minded, always emphasis reason. So Buddhist, particularly Nalanda tradition, Pali tradition is the foundation of Buddha Dharma. Four Noble Truth in Kasa, Medasuturu, or 16 aspects of Four Noble Truth. Very scientific. Few years ago, I have meeting some scholars from Buddhist University in Bangkok, Thailand. Very wonderful Buddhist country. So we have some discussion about Four Noble Truth and the 37 practice. These are common. Then I asked them, when you explain these things, mainly based on Buddha's quotation or reasoning, then they say on the basis of Buddha's quotation. Then I immediately felt like Dharmakirti's Parmanavartika Kalinga, the 4 chapters, 2nd chapter, Four Noble Truths, these things mentioned. Mainly through reasoning. So, the Nalanda tradition, they mainly follow second Dharma wheel, which Buddha taught at Rajagiri, Sanskrit tradition. Since, you see, following investigation, therefore, like Dignac and Dharmakirti and these great, not only philosopher, but great logician, and Shantarakshita also, and Kamalashika. These two invited by Tibetan emperor. So 8th century, they came to Tibet. Great logician. So that's, I feel, if we use logic, experiment, then we can go side by side with modern science. If we just follow belief, then different. So therefore, as I mentioned earlier, as a part of introduction of Buddha, so there's something quite unique. So now, I never try to promote Buddhism, and particularly in Judeo-Christian background countries like Europe, America. Sometimes when some local Buddhist group asks me some explanation about Buddha Dharma, one occasion in Strassburg, I think, huge sort of, what's the hall, about 8,000 people there. I feel uncomfortable. This is not Buddhist country, Christian country. So I feel uncomfortable teaching Buddha Dharma.